In today's video, we will be going over the craziest and most insane videos ever caught on the Dashcam. Don't forget to stay safe and drive safe. Let's go. This is what using up a lifetime's luck looks like.
One day.
Hey, dude. Shit.
This truck driver lost control and crashed into someone's home. A truck causes a car to flip after losing a tire. The worst thing you could do, follow blindly. This plane came neighborhood until he lost it all. These drivers had a road rage incident, and one ended up flipping over. Head-on collision. Who's at fault here?
Is there a part where I don't think so. You don't think so?
I don't think so. I think Dane's
Oh my God!
because
No.
Dane is just desperately hoping that after
These drivers just witnessed a real-life police chase movie unfold right in front of them. Who do you think caused this accident? Driver lost control in the rain and wound up stuck in the mud. This crash happened because someone was speeding recklessly through the tunnel.
What the fuck?
Me llegaron.
¿Qué te llegaron?
This driver was just trying to get somewhere until robbers set up a roadblock. This driver randomly lost control for absolutely no reason. This truck is parked in a really awkward and very dangerous place. For all those who hate waiting at red lights, this clip is for you. These are the type of police drivers that you would find in Grand Theft Auto. What do you think happened here? Because this was some horrible driving.
Whoa.
Fuck!
This driver had a head-on collision with another car at a traffic light.
It was going well, and we were having a conversation when she walked straight into a signboard. post that neither of us noticed. I let out one nervous laugh before I could stop it, and she accused me of engineering the event for my amusement. He made me watch